Okay, today we're here at Hanky's Hot Chicken, and we got their Nasty Nash Sandwich, chicken sandwich. This thing is huge. We couldn't even close the box without a label. So here it is. Weighs a ton too. I can get it out. Look at this thing. And this way, this thing is huge. How am I going to get my mouth around it? Let's see. So there's Texas toast instead of buns. Oh, come on. Looks like there's cheese. Oh, wow. Is this a grilled cheese? Texas toast, holy mackerel. I think that is a grilled cheese sandwich. And then there's what do they call their sauce? Comeback sauce, which is like a sriracha mayo, lots of pickles. Here's the chicken. And I got, your choice of heat level of sauce. So I chose like a medium sauce. And then there's coleslaw, more cheese, and probably more comeback sauce. Oh, look at this thing. It's like a grilled cheese sandwich with Texas toast. So that's 3 Texas toasts. Let me take a bite of this grilled cheese. Oh, which in itself is huge. Oh, I forgot. There's, I think, mac and cheese inside this grilled cheese sandwich. Here. Oh. There's mac and cheese. Oops, mac and cheese in there. Okay, let me see if I can wrap this up. Maybe it won't be as messy. You might need lots of napkins when you come here. Get my arm in that sauce I dropped. Okay, let's see. I need to unhinge my jaw. Wait, where am I going to get chicken? Move the chicken up a bit. I misplaced it when I was showing you where everything was. Okay. Oh. I don't know if I got any chicken. There we go. Yeah, getting pretty spicy. Then again, I'm a spice wimp. But the mac and cheese is coming out of the top one, or the bottom one. Maybe I should go this way so I'm not squishing it as much. Oh yeah, that heat is building. Maybe a fork and knife would be good on this one. At least the bun is squishable, so you can actually get it all in your mouth. Oh yeah, and that heat is pretty. It's now in my ear canals. I could probably finish it though. Maybe. Yep. This sandwich is really good though. And it's really heavy. It's got to weigh at least 2 pounds. This thing was $15. But if you look at the size of it, And if you felt the weight of it, I think you'd think this is worth the $15. So yeah, this is a tasty, messy sandwich. So yeah, if you want to come to Hanky's, they have other sandwiches too. This one, it seems to have everything in it. It's like so they have normal chicken sandwiches too. So you can put any level of heat on any of your sandwiches. So yeah, I'm gonna give this one an A. I think it's very well worth the price, and the taste really good. I think that heat level was uh, good for me. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.